Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper of Thursday, August the 11th, 2022. Yes, 2022. We have here in this additional 7 extra puzzles. This one will be special. We'll tell you later, but this one we have 7 puzzles. The first one is a letter Sudoku, then we have a 2 stars, the 3 stars, and a 4 stars Sudoku. This one will be a special one, tectonic with 4 stars, cipher block in Dutch they call it, with 1 star and 1 binary, and those puzzles I'm not interested. Yes, 7 extra puzzles, half of them I will solve. And there's also a summer additional I've told you earlier in the regular medium Sudoku. Those links I will post it in the regular Sudoku medium, but here in this additional we have 7 puzzles. Half of them I will solve. I won't do them all, too much for me, time consuming, and I need also the same time for uploading it, otherwise it will be a day job. Yeah, the publishers should pay me for that if I do all those puzzles. No, I need the time for solving it because it's too much for me. Alright, the 3 stars puzzle Sudoku with 3 stars will be number 4997. Yes. So today we will will be the last one will be 5,000, special one. Yes. Alright, 3 stars Sudoku. Before I start I always count up printed digits. Well, this one is 25. Correct me if I'm wrong. Okay, for 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones, we have here 3 twos, 2 threes, 3 fours, 3 fives, 2 sixes, 2 sevens, 2 eights, and 4 nines, 5 nines. So the 9s are a majority. So let me start with the 9. Alright. Okay. The 9 in this row, the 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. The 9 in this column, the 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, so no 9 there, 9 should be there. The 9 in this first column, the 9 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the third row, so no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see a 9 in the last column, so no 9 there. Here 9 in that column, so no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 9. Alright. 5 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 6. We have a 3 and a 6 in this row, so no 3 and a 6 in these 3 boxes. The 3 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. So what are the other 3 numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let me No. Here we have a 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. 1, 2, 7. 1, 2, 7. Yeah. Almost made a mistake. 1, 2, 7. Cannot fill this yet. I need to wait. So here we have 1, 2, 7. So what are the other two numbers in this row? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this second column. So no 4 there. 4 should be here. And 8 goes there. 4 in the third column. 4 in the second column. So the first column, the only two places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this row. So no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this row. 4 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the second row, so no 4 in these 3 boxes here. 4 in this column, so no 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in this column, 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in the middle row, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next, so last column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in the second row, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 4. Now we have a 4 here in the third row, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Oh, right. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 4. Oh, wait. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the middle column, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. It should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see here 7 in the first row, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. Then. Let me see. 7. 2 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have an 8 in this row. So no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Okay. Then 2 missing numbers in this column for the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in this row, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have an 8 in this middle column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here. The 1 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5. And look, we have a 3 and a 5 in this column. So no 3 and a 5 in this box. The 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 1. 1 in the last row. 1 in that row. So the row between, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Then yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. We have a 1 in the second row, so no 1 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in this column, 1 in one of those two boxes in the column next. So that column, the only place left for the 1 should be here. Here, these two are reserved for the 3 and the 6. Now, those two boxes are reserved for the 2 and the 7. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. 2 boxes left in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Okay. Then. Let me see. Yeah. 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers are 5. We have a 5 in the last row, so no 5 there. 5 could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those two boxes in this row. 5 in the last row. So the row between only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column, so no 5 there. 5 it should be there. 1 box left in this row for the 1, the 2 is missing. Now we have a 2 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 2 and the 7. Now we have a 2 there. So in this column, we have a 2. So this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be 2. And this box should be a 7. 7 in the last column. 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row. 7 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Now we have a 7 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 7 and a 5. Now we have a 7 here in the third column. So here can be a 7 anymore. That box should be a 7 and this box should be a 5. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see a 7 in the first row, so no 7 there. 7 in the second row, so no 7 there. So in the third row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 7. Okay, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in this column, set column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here. The 5 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Now we have a 3 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 3 and the 6. Now we have a 3 here in the last column, so here can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3 and this box should be a 6. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in the last column. So no 6 there. 6 should be here and 8 goes there. 1 box left in the last column for number the 1. The 2 is missing. Alright, so we have a 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in the second column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in the third column. 2 in the second column, so the first column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 2. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3, the 6, 3, and the 6. We have a 6 in the third column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 here in the third row. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 3 and the 5. Now we have a 3 here in the third row. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be 3. And this box should be a 5. 3 in the third row. 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this column. So no 3 there. 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1. So the 1 goes there. One box left in the third row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second, in the first row. So the row between the second row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in this column, so no 6 there, 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 box left in the first column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Now we have a 5 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 5 and 8. Now we have a 5 here in the first row. So this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be an 8. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8. It's missing 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 in the second row. So no 1 there, 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Wow. Quicker than the previous Sudoku. Medium, yes. 60 minutes. Alright, I'm very well pleased with time. So is this really a 3 stars? No, let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the 4 stars Sudoku. The 4 stars Sudoku. Yeah. Until then, bye-bye for now.